play this record as frequently as possible.
What's up, Team Cahtel? It's your boy Ricardo.
Your boy
Jacko's over there getting ready for the shoot. Pull up. Pull up to you, just got the what? We love you, ladies. So this one is just for pound sign the ladies. And what they, all the lady Cahtel fans, they need to change their name to Miss. Insert your name, Cahtel. So if your name is Tanaka, Miss Tanaka.
Just like that.
What up, what up? Want a Sprite? Sprite Coke. What's your favorite? There you go.
Loves the Cahtel.
Call me rude, you know.
Up shooting, you know what video it is, my queen. We had two beautiful ladies in that video. We also have this beautiful lady who will be in some of the solo shots. And of course us. The name's Jacob Jr. You already know this is Guado. You already know this Cat Shona. Shout out to the main homeboy. Y'all know Kid Cahtel. He in the building as well. By the way, we don't do alcohol. This is straight up Coke. But yeah, we just wrapped it up. I don't know what else to say. Stay tuned for the video. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's a nice chill video. Summertime video is pretty cool. Right now we're gonna shoot a couple viral videos for you. Pull up. And we also just shot changes. A lot of people were requesting changes, so we shot that. If y'all need another viral video y'all want us to do, we'll get it done for you. Shout out to Miss Gabriella. We did a song for her. She requested that we do a wedding song. She also requested that we do a La Bola song.
On the way?
I don't know, bro. I hope not. I hope not, bro. She's too pretty. But anyway. I know, right? What other songs were requested by us people?
Cool, La Bola song was requested.
We have a station with the Corkin song. Something upbeat, rhythmic. Stay tuned to see what we do with that.
She say, boss man.